Yeah, I ordered some wigs from SHEIN, so they just arrived. So I'm going to pick it up now. Let's go. Fingers crossed. I don't know how it's going to look like, but it's impact for time. So, SHEIN. I don't know how it's going to look like, but we'll see. Now I'm just remembering um the scorpion thing. The lady that tried to box something and so scorpion came out and the cockroach thing. So I don't even know how to unbox it, but definitely they're going to do it. Somehow I don't believe that. Somehow I don't believe. Let's try it on. It's fine. I love it. Periods. So this one. Yeah. This is a synthetic wig, yes. I can't remember the last time I wore synthetic. Like, it's been a very long time that I wore synthetic wig. So this is, I don't know how I'm feeling now, but I'm gonna wear it. Yes. Cut your coat according to your size. This is my, so it's given, I don't know, but heal. Okay, okay. So, yeah. So, which one is your preferred?